What gets measured gets mastered. When we set goals, far too often we set a deadline, like I want to lose weight in 30 days, or by the end of the year, I want to start my business. But then we let the time lapse and we're not regularly checking in with ourselves. And what happens is we feel like, man, we haven't made the progress that we wanted, or we feel like we're not moving the needle. This is why you have to regularly measure your progress. What I mean by this is you have to check in frequently. When I first started writing my books, I would check in every Sunday to see how many pages I had written toward my final goal. When I first started my fitness journey, I tracked my workouts, and then eventually I moved to tracking my macros. Checking in with myself regularly helped me to measure my progress. I was able to dive in and see what I was not doing that I should have been doing, and what I was doing well that I should do more of. This is what helped me move the needle to create the success in relation to my goal. So let me ask you, as you think about your big picture goals, what are you doing to measure your progress? Because remember, when you measure it, you get to master it. So if you're not doing anything to check in with yourself regularly, this is your invitation to do just that, because ultimately your future self will be grateful that you did.